In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off announce calls on an iPhone running iOS 18. Announce calls is a feature that speaks out the name or number of the caller aloud when you receive a phone call. Some people find this feature helpful, while others may prefer to turn it off for privacy or personal reasons. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down to the very bottom. Then tap Apps. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Phone. Tap Search. Then tap and select it from the search results. Now you'll see the Announce Calls option. Tap on it. To completely turn off announce calls on your iPhone, simply select Never. Once turned off, your iPhone will no longer announce incoming calls out loud. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.